my channel. In case this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, please make sure to go down there and hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, because today's video is one that has been so highly requested, and this is my sophomore year dorm tour. I have finally gotten everything in order and am so excited to show you guys my living space for this year. This video is actually sponsored by IKEA. They hooked me up with some dorm essentials this year, so I'll be showing you guys which IKEA items I'm using in my dorm room as I'm going through my tour. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's just get right on into it. So as soon as you walk into the room, you'll see Haley's closet right here. It's a walk-in closet situation, and then my closet is the next thing that you see right when you walk in, and so it's an open closet. I have all my clothes hanging down here, and I'm using an IKEA storage unit. And this is super handy. I built it myself. It was really easy to put together, and I really like using it to hold my sweatshirts, my jeans, which you can tell that I have a lot of, and then I also use some of these IKEA cubbies to hold extra like accessories and bags and purses in here, so it just makes like the storage situation in my closet much easier. One service that I wanted to mention before you guys continue with the dorm tour is the TaskRabbit website and app. It is pretty much just a service offered by IKEA that allows you to reach out to someone who knows how to set up IKEA furniture. So if you are someone like me and moving into a new living space and need some help with putting together some of your IKEA furniture, TaskRabbit has specialists who are specifically there to help people move IKEA furniture, put it together. So if you guys are interested in that service, please make sure to check out their link in the description down below. Anyways, let's move on with the dorm tour. And then I'm also just using a lot of other storage units that I had in my dorm room last year. But as you move on into the rest of our room, you kind of run into like what I'm gonna call our kitchen section. And so this is just where we kind of stuck our fridge and microwave and food all in one cubby. And then right next to it is my desk. And this was provided by the school, so it's nothing special, but I just tried to style it as best as possible. I tried to put beauty on that side of the desk and then more of a school work situation on this side, so I just kind of tried to divide it up, and it has this drawer down here that just holds a bunch of extra knickknacks. But next to the desk I have this grid, which I've had for years, but IKEA has one just like it, and it's so cute to store extra photos. Moving on from my desk, we kind of get to my bed area, and so this year I mid-lofted my bed, so it's a little bit higher off the ground than I had it last year, and that kind of allows me to have a bunch of storage space below it. But I have this super cute IKEA duvet cover on my bed, and it's white. It has these adorable gray like circle design on it, and it's just really simple. It goes really well with the rest of my decor, and my bed is definitely like my favorite place in my room because it's super comfy and has a great view. But next to my bed is Haley's bed. She is all the way up top. She's like super lofted this year, and then she has all her stuff down below. If you were to look under my bed, you can see where I store my clothes. This is my dresser right here, and then down here I have my hamper and extra beauty and textbooks and filming supplies. So this is kind of just like my storage unit back here. On from Haley's section, we get to the bathroom, which the door has a full-length mirror on it, by the way, which came in super handy. I really like having a private bathroom this year. It's a really nice upgrade compared to the communal bathrooms we had in our dorms last year. I decked out our bathroom with an IKEA shower curtain. It's really just like simple design, and it matches our IKEA bath mat, which is just a dark gray color. And then also from IKEA, I found this really handy over the toilet storage unit, and it has just made like storage in our bathroom much easier. And then Haley and I just have some storage back here for toothbrushes and such. But this is a really small and really functional bathroom, which is decked out in IKEA, as you can tell. Moving on from the bathroom, we get to this like gallery wall and TV area. The TV is Haley's, but I found these really cute prints for our gallery wall on IKEA's website and had to find them when I was in store, and so this set I just thought would be perfect for a dorm room. I really love the colors, and I tried to just make a cute gallery wall out of them over our TV. And the TV is also on an IKEA storage unit. This is similar to the one I used in my closet, but it is 3x2 cubes instead of 2x2. I got this at IKEA a few years ago, so I don't know if they would still sell it now, but they have really similar items currently. And I just styled it with some Alpha Chi decor and other like just cute room decor items, and Haley and I use the storage units down here for extra electronic stuff and her Xbox games and such. So this is just a really cool thing to have in our room for when our friends come to hang out and we just want to like have a movie night or hang out with the girls. But that is everything for our dorm tour this year. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in more college videos from me. And of course, thank you to IKEA for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love all the IKEA things that I have featured in my dorm room. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!